Pirate death metal? Cute animated spiders? On the web, creators are able to pursue what they're personally passionate about, and audiences who share these passions can find them. I'm here with Kevin Allocca, head of YouTube's Culture and Trends team, to learn how YouTube's innate discoverability should influence how we create content.
Previous media technology provided relatively few means for obscure or unexpected genres to be discovered, let alone reach a mass audience. But today, YouTube's homepage surfaces more than 200 million distinct videos every day, connecting viewers with diverse experiences ranging from ASMR to slow-motion explosions. This level of scale and discoverability has brought about an inversion in media. Traditionally, media producers are forced to make content decisions based on mass appeal. But on YouTube, audiences can grow organically without such initial expectations. There are now channels with over 250,000 subscribers around quilting, sneakers, frisbee tricks, and even 18th century cooking tutorials. For example, last year, beauty guru Christine Rotenberg spawned the 100-layer challenge by painting over 100 layers of holographic polish on her nails. Tens of thousands of other videos emerged with people trying on 100 layers of everything, from clothes to spray tan, garnering more than 600 million views in total across the trend in 2016. It was Rotenberg and her audience of 4 million nail polish-obsessed subscribers that helped make that possible. They represent one of many communities who connect with each other over their specific passions and in turn interact with each other in ways that influence consumer and entertainment trends.
So what does this mean for brands? When it comes to YouTube content, the more unusual topics can actually be the top performers. Videos that cover niche topics often provide an ideal environment for viewers to come together around their passions. From animated spiders to power washing, there really is a channel for everyone. To learn more about niche content for your YouTube campaigns, check out our complimentary episode, Niche is the New Normal. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.